Hello, everybody. My name is Kat Cosgrove, and I'll be your host for the Week 13 Wednesday release team meeting on this fine 27th of March. Just an important note before we get started. This is a Kubernetes release team meeting, which means that we are underneath the Kubernetes Code of Conduct, which boils down to be excellent to each other. So please be chill. If you haven't already, please go ahead and put your name in the attendees list in the meeting agenda. And we have no open discussion items other than please add items to the retrospective doc for this release. The good, the bad, the ugly, what do we want to change in the next one? Feel free to gas up your own teammates or other sub-teams in the what went well section. Yeah, thank you. It'll make the next release better, promise. And we'll go ahead and start with the team updates, starting with enhancements.
Hey everyone, I'm doing the enhancements update this week. Our current status is green. We did remove one other enhancement from the milestone this week. Mohammed can probably share some more context around that, but in general, things are looking good on our end.
Sweet. Any questions for enhancements? All right, moving on. Release signal.
Hey everyone, Subhashmita here. Our current status is green. We are mostly tracking a few known flakes, but the last runs have been green, so we are good. Other than that, there's an old flake, GC master scale correctness, that has been added for your reference. The board image that has been given a green signal by 6 scalability, yet we're absorbing it, so it gets removed as we go forward towards the release. That's all from my side.
Okay, cool. Any questions for release signal? Perfect.
Thank you.
You're welcome. The next up is docs.
Hey everyone, so docs is green, the docs freeze is in effect, and only one document did make the cut, and a big shout out to the SIG docs entire team and the release team docs sub team itself. The exception request for the remaining document has been approved, and it has been approved for 2 business days. Other than that, Drew would be working on that PR, making sure that the commits or the reviews by SIG docs are addressed and actually committing them for the PR author. And Docs and Drew will also automate this process with shadows, adding this to retro, how this is done and how future leads might do this in the upcoming release. And the branch syncs are on track. So that's the update from our side.
Perfect. Thank you. Any questions for docs? Love it. Alrighty. Release notes.
Hey everyone. Beta.0 PR is a few days late, but soon it will get merged. LJTM level is there, and 1.30 release notes non-issues has been created. Our team will be reaching out to the release leads to collaborate, and if you know of issues or API changes that are going out in 1.30, please comment down on the issue, so that we can coordinate and incorporate information about the changes in the release notes. That's all. Thank you.
Okay. Any questions for release notes? All right, I have a question for release notes. Is there anything you need me for to get the beta 0 notes merged, or no?
I don't think so. I think maybe Nina can answer this if she's here.
So I'm reviewing it, and I
Okay.
think there's another reviewer, but it's like it looked good to me, so I'm just giving the last pass. I think Rashawn actually opened this one, so
Perfect. Good enough for me. But you know, don't hesitate to tag me in if you need something. Alrighty. Next is comms.
Hello, everyone. Yeah, so we're doing good. We're green, and we have 6 feature blogs. that we're working towards reviewing and getting ready for their publication dates. And we are also working with some KEP owners to get some paragraphs added in for our release blog, which we've moved from our Google Doc draft into a PR draft, which is linked there if you're very curious about it. And we are also working on scheduling out our post-release PR things with the CNCF. And that's our update.
Rad. Thank you so much. Any questions for comms? Alrighty, release branch management. Meha, are you here? You are. You are muted, by the way, at not Zoom. We cannot hear you. Looks like you're not muted in Zoom. It's just that your mic is not working. It's no problem. I can read your update for you. The current status for release branch management is green. The RC0 is live as of this morning. There was a little bit of a bump in the road sometime last night / early this morning, but Carlos, Arno, and Sasha stepped in real quick to figure it out and fix the missing piece so that we could kick it off and get it out the door. So RC0 is live. Unfortunately, we do already have a regression that was found, but that is already being tracked. So I think we're all right.
Am I audible?
Oh, you are now. Hey there.
Okay, thank you, Kat, for reading it. So yes, and I'm just doing some post-release tasks. So yes, that's it for me. Thank you.
No problem. Any questions for release branch management?
I do actually have a question. Can you share the link to that regression?
Yeah, let me grab it.
Cool.
Release management. It is a kubelet regression, and I will drop it in the chat for you. There you go. So if you would also like to look into that, you are more than welcome. Okay. Next up is Grace.
Yeah, hi folks. So we are starting to have conversations on sub-team lead succession for 1.31. So if you are a shadow and you're interested in becoming a lead or just want to understand like what is required from you to be a lead, like please have those conversations with your sub-team lead now. That is all.
Thank you, Grace. Any questions for Grace? Okay. Next is me. I don't have anything new or exciting to say, except that y'all are all doing great. We are in the home stretch. We are almost done, thankfully. Getting super close. This has been a pretty clean release so far. I'm very pleased with that. So good work, everybody. So much green. It's good to see green, but you should always be okay reporting yellow or red if you actually are yellow or red, because that's how we get help. Yeah. SIG scalability says they are green. There are some flakes in master scale correctness, but it still looks like okay. They're not blocking. So everybody's good right now. Is there anything anyone would like to discuss on the recording? Alrighty. I will go ahead and end the recording then and stop my share. See y'all on YouTube. Bye.